Hey everyone, and welcome back to today's more important chart appraisals on Friday the 15th of May with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. I'm going to move on to dollar yen now, and once again we've seen a flip in the outlook. Yesterday we had a bit of a doji candlestick which sort of started to suggest that there was some uncertainty with the recent couple of candles that were negative, and today we've seen a reversal of that downside move as the dollar yen has started to find support and push higher again. There is absolutely no let up in this range trade. It was very interesting to see that gold was trying to break out yesterday, but dollar yen is nowhere near even looking at having a breakout of its range. And today, once more, it started to pull back higher and is pulling within the range. It's if you look at the intraday hourly chart, that big pivot level at 1940, which to a certain extent played a role yesterday, but then it was broken back above it today again. So you're starting to see a little bit more of a positive outlook. Momentum indicators all rising, and pushing up, as I said, pushing above 1940 just gives you that more of a positive sense in this chart. And I suppose theoretically now you would be looking out towards the next real resistance levels in this chart, and that starts to come in around that 20 big figure mark, which is an old, again, bit of an old pivot in this chart, providing the support at the beginning of May, then resistance, and then resistance again, support, and recently resistance. So that is your next pivot level, and then that comes underneath the 120 spot 27 rally high. Anyone who looks out for the RSI would notice that the RSI is up at 63, so perhaps that would suggest we're beginning to push towards the limit of the upside, although it's a very difficult one to call, I think, on a very near-term basis, because it's so choppy within the range. It gets there's no concept of trend whatsoever. It's all sideways movement. It's all trading around that 1940 pivot level. So it is a very difficult one to really call on a daily basis. But as I said, once again we're above the 1940 level, so that arguably puts you into a more of a positive mindset, and for a rally back towards the next resistance levels around 120 big figure. Your initial support on dollar yen is the overnight low at 119.28, and then that obviously supports the 118.86 low that we saw yesterday. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen. I'm sorry I can't be more helpful, but I will speak to you later. Thank you.